Hooray, is day 8 and today I'm going to break my fast with dates and water. Yes, it's funny, right? Yes. Now let me tell you the reason why I'm using dates and water. Date is quick energy boost. Like date is rich in natural sugar. Like date has glucose, fructose, sucrose, which provide an instant energy boost after fasting. That's number 1. Easy on digestion. Their fibers contain help ease digestion and prevent bloating. Yes. 3. Hydration. Drinking water alongside dates rehydrates your body efficiently and rich in nutrients. Yes, date is rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B. Surprise, yes, which restored essential nutrient lost during fasting. And finally, it balances your sugar level, like the blood sugar. Yes, it helps to release energy without causing any bloating or sudden sugar spikes. So after taking that, I believe you know now that date is very good to break your fast, and it has significance, which is brings blessings. Okay, so after that I added my swallow, egusi and eba. Yes, egusi has a lot of nutrients in it, like the vegetable, even the melon, the oil, the fish, the meat. All these are balanced diet that you actually need to break your fast. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.